Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. In this video, we are going to learn how to customize the columns on your Orders tab according to the info you'd like to instantly see. Here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales and then go to Orders. Now, go to the Customize button over here. A panel on the right will appear. Select which information you'd like to be displayed on your Orders tab by ticking the corresponding checkboxes. And if you want to rearrange their order, you can easily drag and drop them like so. Once you're done, you can just close this panel and Wix will automatically save your view. And there you go. That's how you customize the columns on your Orders tab according to your needs and preferences. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.